It's been 8 or 10 years. You guys were just one small little booth and one table when we first signed up.
We started with one license, maybe two. Now we have six, 4 commercial and 2 residential, and that's all we do. I mean, I joke that all I do every day is draw rectangles and fill them in.
Approximately 6 years. We mainly use the commercial and the mobile. Well, different things we've used in the past. There were just always bugs and it wasn't user friendly. When I had added extra employees, it was just a training process, and your all's company just eliminated that. So it just made it really smooth to add people, and they all understood it.
I liked the user-friendly aspect of it and the way that we could create a color-coded shop drawing that was easy for our customers to understand and easy for our end users to understand, installers, everybody. So
user-friendly, easy to add and change the catalog, and when you added the mobile version, it just made me do things out in the field that I could, just how versatile it was. And on the mobile version, it eliminated trips back to the house, because I could pull in products in, or if we weren't originally doing the kitchen, I already had the kitchen dimensions, I could throw wood into it, or tile, or just easy.
Well, to start with, on the iPad, it was beneficial because we could take pictures with the job when we were measuring it, and then once we got back to the site, or back to the store, then of course we could share that information with the installers, and everything was just right there handy. And then when we moved to the desktop, then it just gave us the ability to actually import blueprints or do PDFs that we can scan in, or so just all of it's really easy.
Yes, we were able to notice or be able to actually kind of track how often we were doing bids and stuff, which we didn't have before, because everything was just paper and we handed it to the customer. Really, that was it, unless they followed up with us or we remembered to follow up with them. Going in, getting this technology, we're able to actually see what's out there, what's still, hanging in the air. We need to follow up with those people, get that resolved. So it gave us, not only did it help, generate more for our company, but our follow-up with our customers became 110 times better.
A lot more streamlined. You can turn around estimates to your customers a lot faster. You look incredibly professional by sending them a color-coded plan back in an hour, as opposed to, I'll get back to you in a week.
It gives them a really good visual on what they're going to get into. So we come from a pretty small community, so there's a lot of travel involved when the guys go out on jobs, and so sometimes it's just nice to get them prepared a little bit better before they go out.
Visually, it sets you apart with the clients. It's incredibly professional looking. So, and you have to have it to get your plans approved on the hard commercial side. And then, when you're dealing with the end user, actually, they know you have the whole thing under control. It's streamlined the process. I'd say it's one of the differentiating parts of our business.
We're a smaller company, but it allowed our project managers to sell and project manage, whereas we did have an estimator that's all they did, because it took all day long. And now that person is able to sell or estimate, sell, and manage the project, so we're able to in turn do more projects.
From a commercial department that did maybe 3 or 4 projects of size a year, we're probably doing 30 to 40. So, because we can turn plans so much faster.
The thing about MeasureSquare is that they're constantly evolving, and they're always doing other and new things and making their systems better, which for us, we were able to figure out where we're at and where we stand as a company. And now we're able to move on with MeasureSquare, partner with them, and build our company even more, which is something you don't see with other companies. So they have a CRM program, which we aren't a part of, which we're looking to become a part of, just to help move not only us to the next level, but build our partnership with MeasureSquare.
It's just helped us become more efficient, and I think we can handle putting estimates together a lot faster than what we did. So it's just now I just don't think we have that lag time of actually doing takeoffs. So.
And the one thing I felt like just recently thought it was missing was the scanning. And now you tell me about the rim scanner, so I'm excited about getting that. Because we've just recently adopted or added cabinet line, we wanted to take part of our current staff and to be able to send them out into the field without complicated training on measuring for cabinets. This will allow them to scan the room, have all those dimensions, up, down, sideways, so we can build the quotes from there.
The biggest thing is that there are so many features that it does maybe look intimidating, but you can make it as basic as you want to, or you can use it as full featured as you want to. I think it's super customizable. We have used it on an iPad for years, and then we went to the desktop version, and then we still use the iPad almost more than we use the desktop for sure. But just having all the files and pictures in cloud-based, saving the files and stuff in the cloud all of it's really cool.
I just think that if you're out there and you're wondering, you need to give it a chance. If you think you can't do it, trust me, I can do it. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. That's what I can tell you.
Okay.